Welcome to our channel Easy Learn, Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see Class 4's syllabus and sample paper of National Cyber Olympiad. Total question 35, time 1 hour, section Logical Reasoning, Computers and IT, Achievers section. So total questions in Logical Reasoning is 5. So each question carry 1 mark. Next, Computers and IT 25 questions, each question carries 1 mark. Achievers section 5 questions, so each question carry 2 marks. So total mark is 40. So please pause the video and check the syllabus. So questions are based on Windows 10 and MS Office 2016. First section Logical Reasoning. How many lines of symmetry are there in the given figure? Option A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. Actually there is no line of symmetry in the given figure. So option A, okay, option A is the correct answer. Option A. Second one. Which of the following option shows the correct mirror image of the given combination? So again pause the video and try to find the correct mirror image. So in option A, mirror image start with dot. But actually mirror image should start with up arrow. So option A is incorrect. And C, 3 is not mirror image. Okay, 3 is not mirror image. So option C also obviously incorrect. In option D, in D, G is not mirror image. Okay, G is not mirror image. So D also incorrect. So option A, C, D are incorrect. So please check the option B. It is the correct option. Third one. If yesterday was Tuesday, then what day of the week will it be the 8th day from today? Option A Tuesday, B Wednesday, C Thursday, D Friday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, then today is Wednesday. Then what day of the week will it be 8th day from today? So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 8th day from today is also Wednesday. Option B is the correct answer. Next section, Computers and Information Technology. Fourth one, Internet can be used for dash. Option A, checking exam result. B, attending online classes. C, downloading study material. D, all of these. So Internet can be used for all of these. For checking the exam result, attending online classes as well as downloading study material. So option D, all of these is the correct answer. Fifth one. Which of the following features of Windows 10 make all open windows transparent for a quick view of desktop? A, arrow peak, B, arrow shake, C, arrow steer, D, arrow flip. So option A, arrow peak is the feature of Windows 10, makes all open windows transparent for a quick view of desktop. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. Sixth one. Dash feature of MS Word 2016 allows you to highlight the selected text in a bright color. A, highlight text color. B, format painter. C, clear formatting. D, bold. So option A, text highlight feature of MS Word 2016 allows you to highlight the selected text in a bright color. So option A is the correct answer. Seventh one, select the odd one out. So A, printer, B, projector, C, joystick, D, monitor. So out of these, option A, B and D are output device. So only option C is the input device. So the odd one out is option C, joystick. Option C is the correct answer. Eighth one. Internet is used for audio and video calling across geographies. A popular tool for such internet calls is dash. A, Skype, B, Google, C, Amazon, D, eBay. So internet is used for audio and video calling across geographies. A popular tool for such internet call is Skype. Okay. Option A, Skype is the correct answer. Option A. Next, Achiever section. Ninth one. Which of the following is known as a file manager application of Windows 10? So please pause the video and check the given icons. Okay. So option D, Windows Explorer is known as file manager application of Windows 10. Option D is the correct answer. Option D, Windows Explorer icon. 10th one. Which of the following type of network is shown in the given image? Option A, CAN, B, PAN, C, MAN, D, WAN. So the type of network shown in the given image is MAN. Option C. MAN is nothing but it is a collection of LAN. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.